Hello YouTube, welcome to Solidworks Beginner Tutorials 1-2, Sketching 1. Today we will be going over sketching with lines, circles, and squares. We will be talking about quick commands, points, and different dimensions. First we're going to open a new part. Now we're going to go and just sketch a line very quickly in the top plane. You're going to want to hit the space bar and hit for orientation and click on top, and it will take you to the top plane. Now I drew this line, and there's a few ways of dimensioning this line. We can drag it, and if you watch over here, the y-axis will change since it is in the y-axis only, and that's what this means right here, that little green box. That means it's locked in the y-axis. So you can change stuff that way, and you can go over here and let's make it 1 for instance, hit OK. But if you do that, you can still move it. So another way you can do this is if you draw a line, you can, if you see right to the top right of the pencil icon, you'll see the numbers, and those numbers really aren't that accurate. Like it says 1.2 exactly, but we click, and down in the corner it has 1.2 with a lot of zeros, so it's not very accurate that way. Another way is if you click and you go down and you click again, and before you touch your mouse, put in the number 1 and enter. Now if we go back and look at this line over here, it is 1, so there's no problem with that. But watch this, you can still move it, and you can still move this. So nothing's really secure unless you smart dimension it. Now to smart dimension, you just right click and drag up. Let's just dimension these real quick. Now see, none of this is going to go anywhere now. So we're going to mainly be working with the quick commands today while sketching, which are up is smart dimension, to the right is a circle, down is a box, and to the left is a line. So we worked with lines some, so let's work on circles. Now already SolidWorks is trying to add relations from that dot right here going down. If we keep going down, it will also meet up with that point. And if you just click, and smart dimension that real quick. Now we'll draw just a simple little rectangle. We'll add a relationship there, and since that is with that, we'll do 1.25, and let's just say 0.75 for now. Now, even though it did line up with the point there, it will still move. So let's dimension this a little bit better now. Just go 0.25, and from there to there, just 1. So now this is not going to go anywhere. And same thing with the circle. Oh, maybe not. Yep, it will. So just 1.5. Now 1.5. Now that won't go anywhere either. Sorry. We'll draw one more line real quick. We'll actually do this. So let's make this 1.25, and we'll make this line 0.5. Now, right now it's 0.5 that direction, but if I go back, I can always change it over here. Oops, excuse me. I can always change it over here, and I can change the angle too, and put it on a particular axis. Another thing we can do is say we want to set a distance between these two lines. Well, that's gonna be a pain, so we'll just move it. Ew. Draw a circle. Crap with it. Say we want to put a distance in between the line and the center point of the circle. If we made it 2.5, it would put it there, but we can also reverse the direction and it would go over there. It's still 2.5, it's just the other direction. So, another quick thing with smart dimensioning. I prefer smart dimensioning than any other thing. Our way of making something a certain length, because it's just so much quicker than anything else, and it's more accurate. So if you understand everything I've taught in this video, go ahead and go on to 1-3, and I'll see you there.